Did you know you can change the destination of a short link without changing the short link itself? Let me show you how to do it using Catly. Open your Catly dashboard and find the short link you want to edit. Click the setting icons next to the link, change URL unique clicks. Here you can configure two things. First, you can change the destination URL of the short link. Just replace the destination URL with the new one. The second option here is Unique Click Analytics, which allows you to count unique visitors. We'll cover that feature in the next video. One of the biggest advantages of this feature is that you can change the destination URL without changing the short link. This is extremely useful using QR codes. For example, if a QR code is printed on posters, packaging, or marketing materials, you can update the destination page later without changing the QR code. Click Save to update the link. Your short link will now redirect to the new destination. Try it yourself at Catly.